Hey guys, welcome to Financial Minute. My name is Josh. As always, I'm so glad you joined me today. It warms my heart. If you haven't already, please give the video a big like. Also, subscribe if you're into financial types of content. Today we're going to be talking about a house. Not just any house, my house. One of my houses anyways. I am putting it up for sale. At least I'm debating on putting it up for sale or renting it out. It was actually a rental before, but I have a tenant that moved out and I thought, well, it'd be a good time to sell. Values are way up and it'd probably be an easy sell, but it makes really good cash flow every month as a rental, so I'm going to let you guys help me figure this out. So let's get started right after this. So I have this house, we'll just say it's at 100 ABC Street. I purchased this house for about $105,000. It's going on about 4 years ago now. We lived in this house for, me and my family, we lived in this house for about 2.5 years. And it's been rented about 2.5 years. My tenant moved out, and now I have to decide, do I want to keep the house and put a new tenant in it, or sell it and make some money. So for the numbers, I said I purchased it for $100,000. I can sell it for approximately $210,000. So that would be, well, it'd be $105,000 or whatever in, profit. But not really, because I did have to do some work to it. I had to do some crawl space work in it. I spent about $15,000 fixing it up. But for today's video, we're just going to talk about, I will clear about $100,000. So would you think that I'd be better off with $100,000 in my pocket? And this would be tax-free because we lived in it for over 2 out of the last 5 years. And Uncle Sam gives you an exemption on capital gains tax, if I'm correct. Do your research. If I'm not correct, please let me know. But if I understand it correctly, I do not have to pay taxes on the sale of a personal residence as long as I lived in it at least 2 out of the last 5 years, which I have. So correct me if I'm wrong on that statement, but that is what I read in the tax code. So would I be better off with $100,000 to reinvest in what have you? What should I reinvest it in if I am better off with $100,000? Should I use it to buy another house down the road? Of course, there's not much for sale right now that's a good deal. Buy stocks, bonds, etc. Or should I keep it as a rental? Now let's go into those statistics. The house is was rented out for $1,450 per month, $1,450 per month. Of course, I didn't have a whole lot of other costs that go into it. I manage my own property, so I don't take out a cut for that. And there was some maintenance, but on average, we'll just say, let's just say it'll clear $1,400, because I think I can go up closer to $1,500. And let's just say it clears $1,400 a month. Minus the mortgage, obviously. The mortgage is $750 a month, so it clears about $650 per month. That's around, give or take, 7% of $100,000. So 7% isn't a horrible return on $100,000. But you could probably do better, if you were to buy something and fix it or flip it, etc. Or, in the stock market, I think we're up 16% so far this year, or I should say this year. This is now 2021, but we're up almost 16% last year, even with that huge dip we took. So, of course, the stock market has its own risks. So what should I do, guys? It's a quicker video. Those are kind of the stats. Let me know if you have any other questions down below. I'm trying to think of what else I'm missing. Would I rather have $100,000 in my pocket or $650 a month in cash flow? Plus, you gotta figure out, I'm paying down the mortgage, so it's actually, I think I'm paying an average of like $200 towards paying down the mortgage every month. So you gotta figure that in. Let me know what you guys think. I'm a little torn. I could go either way. That's what I like about real estate. There's always multiple options. Neither of these options are bad in my eyes. At least in my eyes. Let me know if you feel otherwise. Do you feel the market's going to tank? House prices are going to come way down? Or do you feel they're going to go way up? Do you feel rents are going to tank? Or are they going to go way up or down? In or out? Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's kind of a short video, something a little different. I just want your opinion. So let me know down in the comments below. As always, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Give it a big grand slam. I will see you guys in the next video. Be safe, God bless, and remember, only you can make your financial dreams come true. Don't delay. Get started today. Be safe. God bless.